Hello, Computer 2 students, and welcome to week 10. Wow, week 10. Who would have thought? This is actually the, uh, let's say, last week of first quarter and partially the first week of second quarter since we start second quarter on Wednesday. Anyway, I'm going to go over your last and final table assignment that you guys will be doing in Google Docs this week. As I mentioned before, this is one of the favorite assignments that most of my former students who have had Computer 2, anytime I ask them, hey, what was your favorite assignment? It's always this one. It's called the $30,000 bedroom project. And as you might guess, you get to spend imaginary money from Mr. Cady and create a list of things that you're going to be able to buy for your bedroom. Now, I want to quickly mention that here in the Microsoft Word Tables folder, where you turned in tables 1, 2, and 3, you will see a new icon here in your folder this coming week for the $30,000 bedroom project. Now, when you click on your project in your folder, you're going to see that it's going to be a little bit different. I've changed the setup so that you guys are going to be able to easily access this at home on Monday and as well as in class on Monday, depending on what day you're here. But regardless, I have this set up so that the instructions for this assignment automatically show up after you click on the assignment. So I'm going to quickly go over these. So a couple quick things. This is called the $30,000 bedroom project. You're going to be able to spend up to $30,000. You cannot go over. Please note, you cannot go over. You have to spend, I'm sorry, so you have $30,000 to spend. You have $5,000 max per item or any type of item. So you cannot spend more than $5,000 on any one item. So you cannot spend $5,000 on, let's say, a bunch of TVs for your house. You have to spread it out. Try to buy, fewer things. Don't spend as much as $5,000 on one thing. A 15 by 20 bedroom, it must fit in a 15 by 20 bedroom. That's about half the size of my classroom. So if you picture my classroom with all my 24 seats, it's a half that size. So it's not that big, but I'm not going to actually measure your project to make sure that everything fits. That's just kind of visualizing how big your space is. So you can't necessarily have something wild and crazy like a playground or anything like that for your bedroom. Just kind of keep that in mind. So you're going to be creating a table where you're going to be keeping track of all the things that you're buying. You're going to have things like item, store, cost, etc. Do not copy and paste things from Amazon or Walmart or Best Buy or any of the other stores that you find these things on. Just type them into the table. It ends up screwing up it ends up messing with the formatting when you're going through it. So don't do that. So you must have a grand total. That lets me know how much you've spent. It also lets you know how much you have spent on each of the items and how much you still have left. So you're also going to save a photo of each item. So in your table, you're going to have things like a title, column headings. You have to have a grand total. You can't buy dirt bikes. You can't buy cars. You cannot buy wild animals. Those are all things that you cannot buy. You can buy things like fridges and pop machines. Claw machines are always things that kids like to buy. You have to enhance your table just like you guys did with tables 2 and 3. Don't leave it black and white. And then finally, that table is going to be worth 20 points. Next, as I mentioned, you have to have a picture for each of the items. You're actually going to have a collage that you're going to be creating with all of the pictures of the different things that you have for your bedroom. So, for example, if I had a TV, a 65-inch TV from Best Buy that I'm buying, then I need to have a picture of it. If I have 5 TVs from Best Buy that I'm buying, and they're on my list as 5 TVs from Best Buy, I only need to have one picture. Don't put in 5 pictures of each TV. Okay, just put in one picture of the TV if you're buying multiple items of those. So the collage that you're creating is going to be worth 10 points. The table itself is worth 20. The collage, for example, he has to have a focal point, usually the biggest item. A lot of people buy like castle beds. I've seen a couple other things similar to those. I've actually seen an aquarium bedroom set. Those things, the biggest things, are always going to be in the middle of your collage, and put all the smaller things around it. So save pictures as you go. You can simply copy and paste them from the site that you're buying. So copy and paste them from Amazon or Target or wherever you're buying this stuff from. Collage should take up the whole page. And you don't need to use picture effects with these. Just simply put the picture in. So down here at the bottom, you're going to see a link in your assignment. You're going to see the $30,000 bedroom project. So when you click on this link, you'll see that this pops up. This is where you can put in your name. Okay. $30,000 bedroom project. And this is just an example that you can use. You can create a brand new table. If you do create a brand new table, please delete this table, but you're more than welcome to use this table. So it actually makes it a little bit easier. So if you're going to buy a television, let's say from Walmart, all you're going to do is just simply type in Walmart. You're going to buy one, and then how much you're going to spend. Okay, this grand total, because we are doing this in we're doing this in Google Docs, you have to actually use a calculator. Now, Google has a calculator automatically built into it if you want to use that on your computer. However, most of you have cell phones and they all have calculators on them. That's usually the most popular thing to do with this assignment. Just keep a running total of how much you need to spend for this project. So your job is to get as close to $30,000 as you possibly can. It can be a little bit off, let's say $25,000 to $30,000 is really your range that you're looking for. So you want to try to spend as much as you can. Keep in mind that very often does Mr. Cady give anyone a blank check to be able to go into the store and buy anything they want for their room. So look at it like it's a fun project like that. If you scroll down, I have a second page on this assignment on the $30,000 bedroom project. This is where you're going to be posting all of the pictures for your collage. So you're going to be posting pictures of your collage here. So when you put in, let's say this example, if you have a picture of if you buy a TV from Walmart, then you're going to put in a picture of this TV down here. So that is the final assignment. When you are done with it and you have spent your $30,000 and you have all of your collages in here, you are now ready to turn this in. You guys are going to have the entire week to work on this, starting on Monday through Friday. So this thing is not due until Friday. We have all of this upcoming week, week 10, to work on this. Don't forget, I told you guys in class, this will be the first graded assignment for the second quarter. So you will not have this this will not be on first quarter. You will have this will be your first grade for second quarter. And don't forget, we are not going to be doing weather and stock this week. This is the only assignment you guys have to work on is this table and your collage for your bedroom. So if you have questions, please ask me in class. But have fun working on this project this week. Like I said, a lot of people have always loved this assignment. And also, when you are finished at the end of the week, I will be printing off your second page collage, and I'm actually going to be posting them on my HC board in my classroom so that everyone, both on A days and B days, everyone on Monday and Wednesday and Tuesday and Thursday can see what everyone else did. So everyone will have a chance to see your collage. And just kind of see what everyone else had for options and ideas for their $30,000 bedroom. But anyway, if you have questions this week, definitely let me know. Have a great week, and look forward to seeing your collages and final projects on Friday next week.